So students, in the previous video already you know that in this conspiracy of Kaikeyi, Rama is in exile. Exile means into the forest for how many years? So long days, so long years. That is for 14 years. So in this story we have to know a small incident we have to know from this extract. Let's start. One day, a hermit brought the disturbing news of a crowd of people coming through the forest towards them. One day, a hermit. Who was a hermit? Hermit means who lives alone, away from society. The person is called hermit. So the person brought the disturbing news. News is very disturbing, not good for all. What was the news? A crowd of people coming through the forest towards them. Them means whom? Where? In exile, Rama, with Rama, Lakshman and Sita also there. Okay, Lakshman. Who was Lakshman? Rama's brother. Lakshman climbed to the top of a giant tree. Lakshman on that time climbed to the top of a giant tree. A big tree he climbed. He climbed up a big tree and saw a long procession of people winding towards them through the forest. What he saw? He saw a long procession. Procession means a number of people moving forward. Moving forward means moving towards them. Towards means moving Lakshman, Rama towards them. A number of people coming. Winding towards. Winding means, what is winding? The act of a person that winds. Like winds they are coming through the forest. In great excitement, he descended to the ground. After seeing this number of people, a crowd of people, after seeing this, after seeing Lakshman, he descended. Descended means fall downwards, fall to the ground, and cried, "Oh Rama, beware! Oh Rama, to be careful, they are coming." I have no doubt that it is Bharat. Who was Bharat? Bharat is another brother of them. So Lakshman said, I have no doubt that it is Bharat who is coming here to finish his jealous mother's work. So, who is coming? Bharat is coming to finish his jealous mother's work. He wanted to remove you out of his way forever. So, here Lakshman wanted to say that in exile, to send you in exile, it is that is not enough. They are not satisfied. So that's why Bharat again come here to kill you forever, to finish you forever, so that he may rule Ayodhya. So for become the king of Ayodhya, Bharat wanted to kill you. Gentle Rama was very gentle, very polite. Gentle Rama rebuked his brother. What is rebuke? Rebuke means scolded. Gentle Rama scolded his brother. No, this is no, my dear Lakshman. No, this is not right. You are saying wrong. That's what he wanted to say. He means Rama wanted to say. He replied, that cannot be. No, no, it's not possible. You are thinking wrong. It cannot possible, Lakshman. If Bharat, if Bharat comes here at all, he comes to do us good with some loving purpose in his heart. If Bharat will come here, he will do good for us. No, it's not. You are saying he will come here for bad thing, for doing any bad work for us. No, no, you are wrong. If he come here, absolutely he have to do us good for all of us. When the procession grew near, so on that time when the crowd of people came near to them means near to Rama and Lakshmana. Prince Rama greeted Bharat with the tenderest affection. What is tenderest? Tenderest means showing very gentleness, very kindness, very affectionately. He greeted, means Rama greeted Bharat. While Lakshman stood by suspicious. But Lakshman's mind is very doubtful. No, no, Bharat cannot become here any good for us. So that's why Lakshman stood there very suspicious and ready to protect his beloved brother. Actually, Lakshman loved his elder brother Rama very much. So that's why uh, always he wants to protect his beloved brother Rama. Bharat weeping bitterly, Bharat crying bitterly, flung himself before Rama's feet. What is flung? Flung means move his body quickly and with a lot of force before Rama's feet. Dear brother, he said, he means Bharat said, dear brother, on my return from visiting our uncle, I was shocked to find that my poor mother had forced our father to drive you into exile and keep the throne vacant for me. So, when Rama came from his kingdom, Ayodhya, in the conspiracy of Koikeyi, on that time, Bharata was not present there. On that time, Bharata was going to visit his uncle's house. And in this time, Bharat's poor mother had forced their father Dasaratha to drive Rama into exile. For what? For keep the throne vacant for Bharat. But oh Rama, out of grief means intense, very sorrowness, very feeling very sad. So out of grief for you, and our father, alas, is dead. So after coming, after leaving Ayodhya, when Rama left Ayodhya, after that Dasharatha died. So this news Bharat first gave to, now Bharat is giving to Rama. Overcome with grief means overcome with this sorrow at learning about his father's death. Rama at first didn't answer. It's not possible. After listening his father's death news, it cannot possible to say something. So for a moment, Rama was quiet. Then he burst into his tears. And the two brothers, means Rama and Bharata, embraced each other, means hugged each other. But brother Rama, continued Bharat, I have come here to assure you, I will never take your place. I don't. Bharata wanted to say no. I will assure you. I never wanted to take your place. Your place is your place. I don't want to take your place. So please, brother, go with me. Return, dear brother, to your right and reign in fair Aradhya. Please, brother, go with me to your own place, to your Aradhya, to your own throne. I don't want to take your throne. I don't want to take your seat. Please go with me. Go with me and go to Ayodhya to fulfill your seat. Okay, students, today I have to hear for left C for left continue this class. Next class, I will discuss left portion. Okay, goodbye.